G'day, Peter here from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines. Today I'm just going to go through installing a needle into an industrial machine. Now, this particular needle is a DP17 needle for industrial walking foot, also known as 135 by 17. Okay, as you can see, the shank on these is round all the way through. There's no flat spot on it like your standard domestic needle. So what we need to do is, by looking down the shaft of it, you can see one side, like that side there, has got the big groove in it, which is the groove that the thread runs down. And the other side, you can see the little cutout there, which the hook passes by to pick up your thread as it's going around underneath. So what we're going to do, we want to thread this from left to right. So that means that that little cutout is going to go on the right hand side, because the hook is on the right hand side over this side. So we want the thread groove to be on the left hand side. So now what we're going to do, this is a little tricky because we're working tight, but now we'll go up in through there. Okay, push it all the way up and ensure that the eye is as close to being dead left as you can. That's pretty close. I'm just looking at the scarf as well in comparison, where the hook passes by. Okay, that's right there. Now I'm going to hold that in place and do up the screw that holds that needle in place. There we go. We've just installed the needle into our Jack H2 walking foot industrial sewing machine. Now I tend to do this with the foot down because it gives you a little bit more extra room to put the needle in and then go up into the needle bar. You don't have to, but it's much easier to do it with the foot down. But always lift it back up when you're finished, so then you're not going to scrape the feet off or do any damage to the walking feet if you accidentally touch the pedal. Thank you.